No doubt. Ashes to ashes, dust to dust, stainless steel gas that never rust, fit the bus you can touch. Blessed with the real side of life, just enough. You couldn't fight it with your strongest might. Lay down, nigga, eyes visualize bad reception. Major interference to your upper body section. I travel like a 2-2 bullet, throughout your body, rep to the fullest. Queensbridge representing, presenting. The hollow tip crew, loose lips, sing ships, you talk shit, I follow through. Once the kite is sent, I might get bent, but still planning. No second thoughts, cause my conscience is demanding for the bloodshed. I leave that mug red. I'm like cancer, can't catch because I done spread. Doorknob dead, enough said. From the scene I fled with the paranoid thoughts running around my head. It's like that, war, project niggas strike back, it's on. What the fuck you say, I'll be right back with the gat and temper. And your motherfucking error, your shorty set you up, you better dead her. Hunger for the cheddar, big Benz are better. Armor red is sandwich, alcohol assumption. While you running, we dumping. Due to the fact the infamous is bumping. Ice grill, sunny front, it's like that. War, project niggas strike back, it's on. What the fuck you say, I'll be right back, it's like that. War, project niggas strike back, it's on. What the fuck you say, I'll be right back, it's like that. War, project niggas strike back, it's on. What the fuck you say, I'll be right back, it's like that. War, project niggas strike back, it's on. What the fuck you say, I'll be right back.
To the fact that, here, take that, right back at you. I'm going at dude, I already ran through. Wasn't hard to capture. What is it that you going after? For 45th, will make your clothes damper. Put in the hamper. The fabulous, infamous, moving stainless, crimes heinous. To all my niggas, soldier bangers, live in action. If you adapt and relax, then the fuck you said, I'll be right back with Max then, blasting, tearing up your feel of fashion. Give him what he asking, fill you in on what happened. Back at the cabin, be at the round table planning. Spread team across planet, expand shit. Slap a nigga open-handedly style, something foul for trying to slow down my cash pile 100 miles. I can recall the days juvenile crime pays. 14 years old, shorty from round way. Brick ass cold, still pump from night to day. But why did my life had to be this way? I rock velour suit, flavors like mixed fruit. My loot get recoup, razors in my shoe. Case they try to shoot me to the island. I'm known for start wildin'. Back in New York, my soldiers got the cash piled in. Peep this, throwing blows on some nose to teeth shit. So much drama, who the fuck knows we got beef with? Lift you up off your feet like ski lift. Pull back the big fifth for niggas who rip, the niggas you whip. Then I'm on the next flight, getting bent in the clouds. On my way down south for international crowds. Hey yo, it's like that. War, project niggas strike back, it's on. What the fuck you said, I'll be right back, it's like that. War, project niggas strike back, it's on. What the fuck you said, I'll be right back, it's like that. War, project niggas strike back, it's on. What the fuck you said, I'll be right back, it's like that. War, project niggas strike back, it's on. What the fuck you said, I'll be right back. Black with the Mac, word up, word up. Yo, the Mac accent, double accent, punk, yo, check it out, son. Word up, project niggas strike back, it's like that.
All the way from the promised land to Japan, they love the sound of the alcoholic band. International, like internet, you can bet we'll be coming to your town to get your crowd wet. I'm like the horror thriller Godzilla when I attack. The crowd goes crazy, doesn't know how to react. It couldn't be coincidental that every time we grab the microphone, we crush the instrumental. You don't wanna feel the pressure, so be cautious. I got the fatal alcoholic shit that gets you nauseous. Simple and plain, from Europe to Spain, I'm like a bad knee sprain and you can't take the pain.
Where the Brooklyn Bridge crossed the way the gangsta signs. We blow minds of different kinds. Niggas love these rhymes, cause they be moving like the dope cops in downtown San Francisco. From the heroin to the coke to the amphetamine crystal. So you know my shit's official. Better hope we don't clash tash. I have your fiance with her titties on the glass like a drunk so mix, representing with the style.